Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the December seed unboxing. Here we have a small collection of seeds from Hudson Valley Seed Company. The order started because I needed to restock my Japanese indigo. Some of my friends are fiber artists, and in the SCA, Society for Creative Anachronism, they have Japanese personas. So I grew this and gave it to one of them to play with to see if she can make dye. So I'm going to do it again and offer it up again. Hudson Valley, as you may or may not know, is known for the gorgeous artwork on their seed packets. They audition hundreds of artists every year. When I think they had 5 or 6 new packs this year. And it's all kinds of art, different mediums. The current art for December on their calendar is the seed pack art for the giant golden amaranth. This is embroidery. How cool is that? And the seeds are not actually in the outer packaging. If I can get the sticker off without tearing. Okay. They're actually in a separate little packet inside. Now these don't have as much, the packets don't have as much information on them as, say, botanical interests. But botanical interests absolutely spoils us when it comes to info. So if you're missing, like, days to germination or, you know, anything else like that, just Google it. Or if you, like me, and happen to double order seeds all the time, look at a different seed packet and see what it says. But this is the seed pack unfolded. And I've gotten quite a collection of these, so I think I'm going to make some kind of mixed media wall art hanging using these and some vintage spoons that my mother gave me. Fishing line, ribbon. I'll show it off if I either here or on Instagram or TikTok, whatever, if I actually do get to this. I have so many crafts and projects on my plate. Okay. Dragon carrots. I actually tried to grow these this fall, and I put them in a bed, which happened to be the bed that the squirrel that I'm having a discussion with decided to bury all his black walnuts. They didn't grow. Thank you, squirrel. So we're going to try it again next time, because these are a beautiful purple carrot with a surprising orange gold interior. And I want to taste them. I get so sick of eating orange carrots. Like, they're fine. They're great with ranch dressing as a dip. But I get so tired of just eating orange carrots. So we'll see. We've got the Black Nebula carrots from my gardener that I showed in the last video. And then we got these guys. And because I'm double ordering everything these days on accident, I have created an Excel spreadsheet, not an Excel, a Google Doc, that lists all the seeds that I have, except for the corn, which is all in the freezer at home. So, hopefully I will stop doing this. But Bells of Ireland, green flowers. Look how cute the little ladybug on the art is. And another double order, lemon balm. I'm gonna sow a lot of this year. Let's see if I can beat out those thorny thistle nettle plants, whatever it is I got going on in the backyard. Rosina calendula, aromatic, easy to grow, ideal for salves. I have a friend who has a charity, or not charity, it's a business, a soap making business that donates any profits made to charity. And I've made the offer of providing her with any kind of plant material she needs. And she mentioned she does use calendula in her products. So I thought I would have some on hand just in case she needs it. And I will link to the soap company, Little Red Hen, down below so you can check it out. They have a wide variety of products. It's organic. And again, any profits go to children's charities around the world. I actually met her in Uganda. So, Dyer's Coreopsis. I successfully grew one plant of this year. It was gorgeous. It created seeds that just ended up all over my front yard, so I expect to see volunteers. But I want to grow more of them. I have another friend who does fiber arts. She does embroidery primarily. Like, her stuff is masterful. But she's more interested in the yellow orangey color you can get from Coreopsis than the indigo. So I'm going to grow some of this for her. I'm also going to start tomatoes for her. This was one of the new packets this year, Jewels of Opar. I have no idea what this is. Fast-growing bouquet filler with tiny ruby spheres. That just looks... I don't know. This looks like it's going to be really interesting if I can get it to grow. It says start early. Easy to grow. 18 to 24 inches tall. So, we shall see what comes of this. This might be my new favorite thing. Or it could be something that just flounders and dies. Hudson Valley is a quality seed company. They do have great germination rates. I had amazing success growing the indigo last year. It seems to prefer a partial shade placement. I had it in 3 different parts of the yard because I had so many seedlings that made it to planting time. There were plants in the flower drawer by the front sidewalk that is partially shaded by a neighbor's tree. There were some in the flower drawer that was on the west side of the house. Those did not do as well. And then there were some in the tomato bed on the east side where they were shaded by the tomato plants during the afternoon. Those were extremely prolific. So, I will be growing my indigo in partially shaded areas, and will be enjoying whatever Jewels of Opar is. Then this was another one this year. Am I holding it upside down? Yes, I was. Mazurkia zinnia. Rosy coral and white blooms enchant in many patterns. I did not know this until I grew some this past year, but zinnias are my mother's favorite flower. So, that was actually a lot quicker than the M.I. Gardner video. So, be careful out there, and I will see you in the next one.